Hey, what's up everybody? I'm gonna go over real quick an example of when to and when not to cut off clothes. Let's say I've got a patient, his pant leg's completely soaked in blood, or there's a big pool, so I'm suspecting it's an arterial bleed. That means I'm gonna go to a tourniquet first and then cut clothes later on down the road. So we know tourniquets go high and tight over the clothes, because again, we don't have time to cut off clothes right now. I want to make sure there's no cell phones or knives caught underneath the tourniquet. And then I pull all the slack out, tighten down the windlass until the bleeding stops. Now I can go in, start cutting clothes and inspecting the wound itself. Now, as you can see, these trauma shears have a very particular design, so I can run it right along the patient's skin and not worry about cutting him or poking him or anything like that. I can open this pant leg up completely and look at his whole leg, the bottom side, top side, 360 degrees, and find where the wound is. If I don't see anything here, I come up towards the waistline and I cut down. The thing about having a single cut, I can wrap that back up to be able to keep my patient warm. So that is just one scenario of when and how to cut off clothes. Stay safe out there, stay alive.